50 years, give or take. Look at this mess. Well, let's see what we can do.
More corrosion here. Yeah, look at this. Completely cracked. Wiring's brittle too.
Severe rust on the suspension, the chassis is corroded, and this exhaust system completely covered in mud. It's bad. Yeah, it's really bad.
Make sure the strap is secure on that frame. Tight and ready. Engaging the winch now. Watch the line. Keep it steady. Watch the tires. I'm pushing. Slow and easy. More power now. It's moving. Tighten it up. Give it a little more. That's it. It's secure. All right, team, here it is. This is gonna be a big job. Let's get it off the trailer first. Watch the rust on that fender. All right, let's get this beast loose. It's been here a while. Yeah. There we go, bit by bit. Yeah. Almost got it. Just gotta pry this connection free.
Mind the rust on this edge, slowly. It's heavier than it looks. Just slide it onto the bench. Careful.
All right, slowly now. Clear the way. Watch the fender. Severe structural corrosion. It's really bad here. Yeah, looks like we'll need a full frame-off repair. All right, that's clean enough. Let's get this measured out. All right. Just about got it now. Looking good. Getting it perfect. Just a bit more here. That's better. All right, old girl, time to come apart. Let's see if this fits.
Något parken kan ju det.
Running smooth, just needed a little adjustment. Perfect.
All right, stubborn one. Come on. Almost got it. Finally. Now to swap this out.
All right, let's see what we've got under this. Looking good, keep at it. Almost there. Solid as a rock.
All right, that bolt is finally free. Careful with those lines. Looks like we got it. Yeah, it's pretty shot. Time for a new one.
Looks like the rust is completely gone. Let's finish up.
All right, suspension on the rear looks solid. Check these mounting points. Good, torque's right. Looks correct to me.
All right, let's see what's going on here. Corroded.
Checking continuity now.
No signal. Looks like we found the problem. All right, let's see what's going on here. Corroded.
Checking continuity now.
No signal. Looks like we found the problem.
All right,
That should connect everything perfectly. Just need a few more adjustments. Looks like it's coming together nicely. All right, these front indicators are solid. Rear emergency lights are good to go too. Just need to fine-tune the pulsing. All right, this section's looking good. Perfect. Just need to smooth this out. All right, lowering it down now
Got it?
and locked in.
Perfect. They look amazing.
The cabinet handles are shining now. Good work. Let's secure the bottom brackets.
Witness the culmination of precision and dedication. The final coat, pure, glossy white, reflects a new era of excellence.
Almost done here. Perfect. Looks great, Mark.
Let's bring it down together. Steady, just a little more to the left. Perfect, set it now. It's holding. Keep it steady. Down just a little bit. Okay, look good? Perfect. Take the strain off. Almost there, just a bit to the right. Got it, perfect fit. Hand me the torque wrench.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's running. It's actually running perfectly.
Brakes are sharp and the steering feels tight. Perfect. This rig is ready.